Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can level up fast in Legends of Idleon, okay? Now, the first advice that I'm actually going to give you is to push each character to the furthest map that they can sustainably kill, okay? The highest map where the character actually performs the kills is usually going to give you the more XP. However, if you just venture into a map where the level is too high and you don't have enough experience, you're probably going to get killed and it's not going to be worth it, okay? So keep that in mind. Also make sure to use the right map and monster for your specific class, okay? You can see the class that you have inside of your, main menu actually. And you can maybe choose different character, different players, depending on the map that you want to play. Also, in my opinion, you should maximize, for example, the AFK uptime. For example, you can just place the character in safe spots, such as this one here. This is like, just the main base in Blunder Hills, as you can see. And you can put them in mobs, and you can just leave the computer for a while, and that's gonna make sure that they gain shrines and altars benefit when AFK. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. Also make sure that you queue and level multiple characters, and that's gonna allow you to gain XP more easily. Finally, I strongly recommend that you follow the, basically the quest line, okay? And that's gonna give you the most XP in general. Thank you so much.